obtain an initial basic feasible solution to the transportation problem. Grace and peace to you all, and welcome back to my channel. This is Donald Siame, author of Hidden Mathematical Genius Within Revealed. Okay, this question is under linear programming of tertiary education. Okay, we want to find the total cost of transporting the goods. So this table is showing these are the costs. These numbers in the boxes, those are the costs. Then this is demand, and this is supply. So there are three methods of solving this type of question. Okay, and the first method we are going to use is what we call northwest corner rule. Northwest corner rule. So from the word itself, northwest corner rule, we are going to allocate values in the northwest of the cells or the boxes. Okay, so let's start. So we have 4 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have 3 rows. Okay, so here we have 11, this is 13, we have 17, 14, 16, there is 18, 14, 10, 21, there is 24, 13, 10. The supply there is 250, there is 300, there it's 400, there it's 200, there is 225, there is 275, there is 250. Okay, so we want to use northwest corner rule to solve the total cost of transporting of the goods. So the idea here is to get the minimum of the demand. So if you come to the cell here, the demand here is 200, and the supply is 250. Okay, so what is the minimum between 200 and 250? Okay, so the minimum is 200. So this 200, you are going to write it to the northwest corner. So this is the northwest corner of this cell. So you put a 200 there. So now, the column gives the demand. So if this is 200, it means for this column, the demand is met because it's already 200. So meaning we don't need to supply in this. Yeah, so you cancel these two. So those two are just zeros because we have a 200 already. That is for the column. We come to this cell. So in this cell, the demand is 225, and the supply is not 250. You say, since we have this 200, you say 250 minus 200, you get 50. So the supply is 50 and the demand is 225. So you get the smallest is 50. So you put 50 there. So now 200 plus 50 is 250, meaning this is met. So the supply for this row is met. So you cancel this. I believe you are following. Okay, you come to this one is cancelled. So you come to this one. So the demand here the demand is, you already have you already have 50 here, so 225 minus 50. 225 minus 50. 225 minus 50. You get 175. So here the demand is 175. So you say we have 175 and we have 300. So the smallest is what? The smallest is 175. So you put 175 there. Okay. So here the 175 is cancelled. Then here the 300, you say 300 minus 175. So 300 minus 175, you get 125. Okay, so here we have 125. This was made. Okay, so we come to this one. Here the demand is 275. The supply is 125. What's the smallest? The smallest is 125. So you put 125 there. Okay, so this is met. Then we can say that 175 plus 125, I believe it will give you 300. So meaning this is also met. The supply in this row is met. So even that one is cancelled. Okay. We come to this box here. The demand here is, this one was met. So this one was met, is cancelled. We come here. Here we have the demand is 275 and the supply is 400. What's the smallest? The smallest is 275. But now we are not going to get this 275 because we already have 125 there. So you say 275 minus 125. What do you get? So 275 minus 125. You get a 150. So here you put a 150. So this is met. Okay. We come this side. Here the demand is 250 and the supply is 400. This one is the last one. You have no option, just get the smallest. The smallest here is 250. So you put 250 there. Okay. So we can see that there's nothing here and 250. So 250 is met for the demand. How about the supply? This is 150 plus 250. You get 400. So even the supply is met. So we have come up with our feasible solution. Okay, so these are the cells we are going to consider here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so how do you get the total cost? So total cost, you say here it's denoted by Z. So you say Z is equal to, so in the first cell there we have 200 and the cost is 11. So we are going to have 200 multiplied by 11 plus, followed by, we have 50 and the cost is 13. So 50 times 13 followed by, here we have 175. So plus, so we have 175 multiplied by 18 plus, followed by, we have 125. So 125 multiplied by 14 plus, we have 150 multiplied by 13 plus, we have 250 multiplied by 10. Okay, so Z is equal to, what is 200 multiplied by 11? So 200 multiplied by 11. 200 multiplied by 11, you get 2200 plus 50 multiplied by 13, you get 650 plus 175 multiplied by 18, you get 3150 plus 125 multiplied by 14, you get 1750 plus 150 multiplied by 13, you get 1950 plus 250 multiplied by 10, you get 2500. Okay, so Z is equal to, so we have 2200 plus 650 plus 3150 plus 1750 plus 1950 plus 2500. The total is 12,200 units. If it's kwacha, then it will be kwacha. Okay, so this is the total cost of transporting the goods using north west corner rule. Thank you so much for your time.